A day after the election of former Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb as the new Rajya Sabha member from Tripura, BJP MLA from Karbook constituency, Burba Mohan Tripura stepped down from his position on Friday. Tripura handed over his resignation to Assembly Speaker Ratan Chakraborty. He was also accompanied by TIPRA Motha Chief Pradyot Manikya Debbarma and a few others while tendering his resignation. While reason for his resignation is not yet known, there are speculations that Tripura is likely to join TIPRA Motha and was in talks with Debbarma for the past few weeks.
आज बुर्बा मोहन त्रिपुरा ने बीजेपी एमएलए पद से रिज़ाइन कर लिया है और पार्टी से भी रिज़ाइन कर दिया है। शाम को प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है तो इनके साथ मैं आया हूँ सॉलिडारिटी दिखाने के लिए। इन्होंने बोला है कि इनको और नेशनल पार्टी में पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करना है, इनको TIPRA का कॉज में इनको शामिल होना है।
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.